Hi, I'm Amanda, and next year I'm going to be a technology consultant for FTI Consulting in Chicago. I did a rotation with them this summer for an internship, and the full-time job will be pretty similar. So, kind of what I'm doing, the first rotation will be digital forensics, which involves a lot of imaging, laptops, devices, meeting with different people, and then we ask them if we can have their computer, iPhone, whatever it is that we may need to look through. Common cases are if they leave a company, their company is suspicious of them stealing intellectual property or intellectual property theft, then they will hire us and we can collect their laptop and image it and then go through it and collect all the evidence that we need, files, and then we will give it to our e-discovery team, which is another part of the rotation, and we use a software called Relativity there. And then we can take all those files we downloaded and we can put them into the software, pull out keywords, conditions, anything that is going to help us prove whether or not this person stole something from the company. We also deal with a lot of companies merging together. It's called a second request when the government requests more information from them to prove that they're not going to mess up the economy, cause monopoly kind of thing. So we work with a lot of those types of situations, which also involves collecting, preserving, storing data. So definitely a lot of dealing with mass amounts of data, and we work with a lot of lawyers and people that just don't really know how to use the technology. So with digital forensics, I think that AI will, help us automate large data sets and looking through them, pulling out those keywords, and then looking at patterns too. I know machine learning is pretty good at identifying patterns in behavior that may be difficult for us to catch, that we may just miss. And then also with digital forensics, streamlining that imaging and collection of device process. I just think that's going to be super helpful and save us a lot of time. Moving on to e-discovery, when we actually use that software to go through the searches and make conditions, I think it's going to make everything more automated. It'll make it easier to use the software, more predictive analytics, and then helping us identify, again, key evidence we may just have missed. Another part of my job is information governance, which has to do with making sure that companies are complying and regulating with new laws regulating regarding data, like the way data is stored and handled and processed and how long people can keep it. So I don't know, AI helping other companies and helping us make sure that we're staying regulated and up to date with those laws. And yeah, that's kind of what I'm going to be doing and how I think AI is going to help us.